We live in a world that's torn by pain and hatred, broken relationships, and sickness and strife. But when we read these verses, we can take heart. There's coming a day when God will make all things new. There will be no pain or hardship, no death or dying. And that day really is coming. Like, even in your heart, you feel this hesitance to hope that maybe there could be a day like that. But you can let your heart hope, and you won't be disappointed. The day is coming when God will make all things new.